Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Rich here from Orange Beach this morning. The city of Orange Beach is out that way. Big, bright moon right there, and that is Terry Cove behind me, part of the Back Bay. So we got some weather to talk about today. The storm system coming in. The Storm Prediction Center has expanded the severe weather risk. It's not stronger risk. It's just covering most of the state now. Also, the timeline has changed a little bit. You'll see future radar here, and I think anything from lunchtime on is fair game for showers and thunderstorms today, and that could affect some evening festivals. There's a bunch of them going on tonight, not just the one in Prattville, not just the one in downtown Montgomery, but the list over Central and South Alabama, because this is the festival season, is a mile long. So I'll bring you up to date and we'll walk you through it. And also, it looks like this system will be out of here early in the morning on Saturday, but there could be some leftover showers early on. So we'll detail the Mother's Day weekend and look at the heat next week. So let's get right into it right now.
Here's the setup early this morning. The storm system stretched from about Fayetteville, Arkansas into Texas, moving on eastward. And I think by about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's near the Mississippi River. Showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it. In fact, I think we'll get a fairly early start on this after lunchtime. Marginal risk of severe weather now from the Storm Prediction Center, covering most of central and south Alabama. Damaging wind gusts, the main threat this afternoon, this evening, tonight across the area. During the peak heating hours, you can see showers and storms already after lunchtime, moving in through central Alabama and across the state. So we're going to get an early start, continues into the evening hours tonight, and even into later on tonight with another round of showers and storms. That's through 7 p.m. tonight. Here's a few snapshots. 1 o'clock this afternoon, already a few clusters of showers and storms, central and south Alabama at that hour. Here comes some more developing in the 4 o'clock hour. Some of those could be strong, possibly severe. There could be a warning or two this afternoon, and certainly this evening. That's an impressive little cluster of thunderstorms coming into central Alabama. We have a lot of outdoor festivals tonight, so we're watching that carefully. 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon hours, and 80% chance by nighttime tonight. Today's high 84, tonight's low 65, and by tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., notice how the front has made it to eastern Alabama, with the front cutting into southeast Alabama at that hour. Maybe some showers early in the day, but I think we get gradual clearing in the afternoon hours. High temperatures cooler, upper 70s tomorrow. I think on Mother's Day Sunday, it's a great day with a cool start in the 50s, but afternoon highs in the mid-80s, and a perfect day with lower humidity. Then getting hotter on Monday. I think we are at least near 90 Monday, and probably hotter after that, because look what happens again in the upper atmosphere. Another one of those heat bubble ridge of high pressures develops right over us, and that's going to send temperatures way up into the 90s next week. So I've got mid-80s today with the chance of storms at 80% later. 79 tomorrow with maybe some morning showers left over. Mid-80s on Sunday, near 90 on Monday, into the low 90s on Tuesday with plenty of sunshine. And how much rainfall? Well, you know, the expected rainfall could be a half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch in some areas. So that's going to help. Maybe not enough, because here's the new drought monitor that came out yesterday showing moderate drought now covering much of east and southeast Alabama. So we haven't seen much of a change there. In southwest Alabama, things did get a little bit better. They eliminated their abnormally dry. Here's the European showing the showers and storms today, that cool Sunday morning, and then the big surge in temperatures next week, the big heat, another storm system perhaps the following weekend around Saturday, May 22nd. Here's the European numbers. Look at that. You see some mid-90s next week, so get ready for some heat. And then it has the coolest morning on Sunday morning. Actually, as we look at the other global model, the GFS, it has a little cooler Sunday morning, but then it shows that big surge in temperatures next week, and it shows relentless heat probably through most of the rest of the month. So, download our new weather app if you haven't done it already. This is a good day to have it, because with all those outdoor events, you got future radar and radar right in the palm of your hands, plus push notifications for watches and warnings, hourly forecast. It's really going to come in handy this week. And of course, if you're going to be traveling out of town, it travels well with you. It knows where you are. It gives you the weather for your location.
So with everything going on as far as festivals and outdoor events, again, as I just mentioned, your weather app is going to be your best friend, because of all the information right in the palm of your hand. And whenever I do a blog, and I'll be watching the radar very carefully this afternoon and this evening, when I do a blog, it goes on your app. It goes on Facebook. It goes on Twitter. So I'll be watching the radar carefully for you. I hope you have a great day today. There'll be no video tomorrow because it's Saturday, but there'll be weather blogs over the weekend. And another video will be waiting for you Monday morning when you wake up. I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.